In past tense, many verbs have ed on the end. However, there are some verbs that do not have ed on the end, and these are called irregular verbs. Today, we are going to look at 5 irregular verbs. For each verb, I'm going to give you the 3 forms, as well as some easy sentences that you can use in your daily life. And if any of my examples with the word have are not clear to you, I recommend that you review 1 or 2 of my videos about present perfect tense after watching this video. But okay, let's begin. Say. The 3 forms are say, said, and said. And said has the same vowel sound as read or bed. Also, when we are using present simple tense, if the subject is he, she, or it, we need to add an S onto the end of say. And when we do this, it's actually pronounced says. The vowel sound in says is the same as the vowel sound in read, bed, or said. Here are some examples that you can use in your daily life. Could you please say that again? Excuse me, can you tell me what this says? Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. What have you said to him? Go. The 3 forms are go, went, and gone. Also, when we are using present simple tense and the subject is he, she, or it, we need to add es onto the end of go, and this word is pronounced goes. Here are some examples. Are you ready to go? This bus goes downtown. I went there yesterday. She was just here. Where has she gone? Get. Some people say it more like get. Some people say it more like get. The 3 forms are get, got, and got, or gotten. Got is the 3rd form in British English. Gotten is only used in American English. Also, there are many ways to use the word get, and if you would like to learn more about some of them, I have some videos about them, so you can go to the top of my channel and search the word get. And here are some examples. Where did you get that? It gets very cold here in the evenings. I got lost on my way here. We've just gotten some new information. Know. The 3 forms are know, knew, and known. Here are some examples. Do you know who did this? Who else knows about this? I knew this would happen. How long have you known him? Take. The 3 forms are take, took, and taken. And take is another word with many different meanings. So if any of these examples are not clear, please feel free to ask what they mean. Take as many as you want. The process takes about 2 weeks. I took my daughter to school this morning. Have you taken a shower yet? And I know that I didn't explain the meaning for each of my examples, but that's because I believe that they are basic enough that you can probably figure them out on your own. However, again, if you have any questions about them, please feel free to ask. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.